Osifo and the Mabel matter. Two of una una be disgraced to una community. Do you know why? Una not see who tell una the truth, nothing but the truth. Especially Osifo. You are the worst I have ever seen in a man, especially Osifo. Osifo, come closer with all due respect. I don't want to insult you, but I want to tell you little truth when I feel say you need to know and you need to hear. Mr. Osifo, with all due respect of that, I dey come for Mabel. Because now Mabel join waiting spoil you so. It's spoil you now give you to another woman now. That one they say you be good. He no say you. Nothing they say, nothing is left of you. If Mark decide to say nothing like payment again for content creators, Osifo, where will you be? Osifo, not only you be mad when they abroad will not get people. When you just carry yourself go as. Who call you go as? Who put you out for fire for you? Osifo, Arinya you are here. When you take go as you come to say Emily Siokuze Bude. You know get a bit, it's okay. Now God they give, right? Why you not come on go Italy and start over again? Why you not come on go other countries and start over again? Osifo, most woman dey your life to take a say. Most woman, and then you could be more in your payas of power. When I then I was here away. So you're baffled. As rumor may have it, that I will do you maybe they wanna be doing a manyama. So they said social media allegedly, I know they them, I know Richard. Saying a woman still give you money when you take cross for Libya route. If we look your trace, woman must. Osifo, what do you do single-handedly do on your own, like as a man? As a man. We have so many men like Osifo. Baby say, if woman not there on her life not is stable. And most of una be obama yese no read depo. And once una just stand finish, una go to Upele via I will only give you a wise so when I'm in. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. I'm fine. You're fine. When I'm in on a mad day okay, we my day. Like Eliab, we get them. Men like Eliab, women like Eliab, we get them for abroad. But my problem is, Eliab be a Mabel why I say back mama de be okinya ifa. Eliab be give so wa. Me use Benin. Are they comfortable when speaking Benin language? If I want really talk. Can book. Eliab, you reach us now. You still go carry woman till start. Only no oye na indomie. Nini kono wewe mwae mi kwa mwopo ya kanya na ikpoko gyak palo. Oye na kolobien. Oni veo ga milisi okuze bude. Na ege ezomo vie no manoro la wane. What the Esther one can do way other women never fed do for your life? Esther no verse, so I just they talk, right? Oh God. What the Esther one can do way other women never fed do for your life, Osifo? Okay, after this content creating now, Osifo, where they dead you bow with there. That which kind of husbands? Which I don't understand. You don't see travel. Then they make door wa ba wa so sana. Mani ene gbeni ri go no ro ka wa agwe. Why so do wa ba wa so you go no payment for you people. Ni mere ni wa here ma gun why? This so-called content creating can make so many people lazy. Eliab, what exactly was your reason of going back home? If one country no good, you know run leave me you go another country, may you still born. Where am I pay? You stayed with me for how many years? Ebe mare umaso la dia Why Vanna me love is a beautiful thing. Or I want last all the colorful long sleeve and a flower long sleeve and a of your working where your job much as an peso or mood you have your color over or be manwe be puro be a damn more who in one for me. When I wear Melissa or Kuze to pay for you. You give it, but that's to tell how lazy you are. Do not go another country. Italy is a land where anybody can start all over again. Umajodo, you thought the best place for you to start again was Nigeria. Matter to waga cool, matter to wal valley where me be, where valley cool and any. We ati wa sibo we am one flat to pay for 2 years in it. Maybe the motoke when I go to Upele. It's okay, it's your choice. But my problem is when you is in Nigeria and be my yoku wa me pe wa fa azu o abagun. O ma ye ke gbe internet. Me ben ro ni wa don me no kai on isa gen ro egbe. Me do we o kan me be fi de ama me kiarie. Esta no ro no men wa van oni ayi we vie no horo we gbuwa. Okay, I'm a content creator. I'm a content. Why no? I'm a content. Why you mean? I mean no mechanic. I mean no vulcanizer. I mean no hydraulic. I mean no what is manual work. I mean no way. What I think was go the iPhone. The next thing I'm a content creator. Earlier, permit me to tell you you are a disgracer. With all due respect, you are. With all due respect, I don't mean to insult you. They are not showing good example at all. They may be in or is another bunch of disappointment to ourselves and to our entire generation. Two of you are a bad combination. Very bad one. But very mad one my way. Maybe has always painted it to be wet. Maybe walk by the gele jaria. Oh, cow, boy, vow, yeah, all your love history is story. No one even good. Ero ya biele you. But to my piano, I don't see mine. Mommy blessing is I am fine, mommy. Love is you. Call you no girl. Let me pay my piano, I don't see. I don't just know. Ori don me pay my moye kaka. Then it miss Osifo. Ubere, wherever I say, wherever my dead be ma. There are some separation you will separate, eh? Agmede be mama, okon wa mego, okon wa me passport. Yes, there are some separation you will go your separate ways. To pay for you, no. Wana you only kamani me lao. No gwalo. No pakati ba bola wa gbe wa pa wo me. Me be no raw, not very bad history. Very bad, very rough. Very fat. Still, oh, my love is a beautiful. One are beautiful, me be or beautiful. Oh, wana. Oh, be Osifo wakin. Oh, be we done. Oh, Osifo no you bow. You know they work. All your mates they work. Even people within Nigeria where you they see say that they back. That they all of them get out work. That they do. So we pay computer by. We are piesta. Aba kiko ya ni ku obo wana mi ya be pere mu ko gba obo wana mi ya ami ko na gwalo we be dini nu he ye du mo ko ne nwe ohin idin na wa mo kia fi we wa yan Osifo aside this content na really wetin you get what you dey do na tell me say oh see wetin I manage go open side hustle na get up to say nobody dey finish mark me yeah where are we formatting me mark where you na say na zoa na wa zoa we na wa mu we go okeka you don't go Nigeria it's okay in your hometown the way rubbish when ever you say right Now to go Nigeria, wetin carry you go? Maybe one one a UK na sọ̀rọ̀ 30 years ebero. Awa lenu na eseti wete. To bo were o pa. Agbo ma be to bo we gbali we nya hu tu pele. Other countries as well. For you to run back to another country to stand firm and start as a man, the best place for you to go was Nigeria. You want to live free, you want to be okay, you just want to be perfect. On the name of Page, see Bakara, Jenny Slings and all that, they are doing well. A lot of lemon pages doing well. Any nipi computer wo. Any nipi computer. Yes, Page, they pay people who know what they use and do. Since you go Nigeria, I never seen one content with Bosha. Osifo, you are too dull for my life. When you watch, mommy bad when you are too dull. Else any better low say you talk me. Who all tell not doing? Yeah, you want to bury be what right way off. Since when you take that Nigeria now, tell me, oh, I greet you. We'll see a editing. You know, happy weekend. La where we here? See your baffle. Since when you take the Nigeria now, tell me one motion content where you don't do way shake it on it. Tell me. Apart from you and Mabel, the drag on herself now. No, two of them now Esther they pity for that one. No, that one they trust ma. Esther go they trust ma. Anyway, sorry for Esther. You and Mabel, the one that they draw on herself, they still give on her time. If not, this one about you now see knock forget story because Mabel no na. Imagine I me can no eki olila no ye wore mi ati eye usi obafo no nya imaya ya ye mi ono he ahin sit down top we na ge me pe because ono me pe ni no mi awo ewu kaka ikani o ke no we ubi okan o na bi okan me be o na bi okan me be how can a normal man all waiting a work there they my people all waiting a work from home. Usoba for wo working na I edit a video cut and repeat e to me safety kit okpa me we you of when that phone agenda ni age o da fe beni mo edo e den na wa drop it bag e PC because when any give ya we video you give PC video o da fe wa la e portfolio what you safety kit ogela na to pay straight o ya gwale me na e UK na maybe when we are when the credential big criteria whatever almost to me winner always your back from my video e wa gbe belly ti ye kun no CS kino CS ne o vi bate kwa 7 no se me o vi bate kwa 7 yo wede oja mi be ai wa ri obi na ti e jo ni owo eni na aden na akolohun e mo igba pa ni eni yan we ni kia we yan mi be oro we nurse yen am in hospital I'm in hospital or yes certificate or if you don't take better when e kia yan Osifo no ro oni ri man o we ni o mi ame mi no mo la we me pe e bia we no ya me pe ona mi amia me bia I wa la e mi ate wa vi all manner of flowers on sleeve of your with 2 trousers no ya mi say ni wa o ga gbonfu o pe ri €150 give e buwa I don't talk biani dozo wa biani mi na re wa ri o jagbonu we no Osifo because you don't even know how to start eru ya pa una mu da Nigeria we make Nigeria for you to stand firm and build yourself rebrand yourself work on yourself na mi ewo o wo ire yu o je we na we te pere wi ko na we temu le ti aye pere ko ti e bonu e mai una ya te pere wi ko we mu oni no o mai na je o yere so for me kiari a o ni o ge ibi ya nu ta mai ma o mai ko o ge kwa me pe ya mi wa ta nu wa o ge gbugba fa wa gbo what are this eternity me wan mi be no ro de ma yi o ga donjo wa me be o ya mu we fusion ya mu sa je nu we a cause I just see that kind of sign for your boy when I'm with again now. No see for yak but we he go see for God no ma. O see for aye pasha. Go see for. A big baby they contented. A bonigba, yeah, contented, yeah. A big baby they contented that they can never be satisfied with what they have. Because they think you are delaying them. They think you are at their front, was there a bomana, whereas obeying. Be a neck back will be. Maybe I saw your marry ye. It's butter. What tell over Asaboro mamma bag mo boom one. Boom when of no litano. O make one me agmose. Be an easy back will be. O back will be. Be no one even a chat one of the munason. Why we do your the 7? Who do your the 8? Work at 10 o'clock, you do I book by our lane. Where you wait a blanket move. Oh, need they go, they see snow. Oh, go ahead, eater. Oh, man, you wanna pay me eater. Young wabi, my way better in my was. We deliver your eye, no way, my body, we are with it. Oh, see, again, I had winning Birane. Are 1990, 2000, stroke 2010. I hear it when he say. Where you hold that will be a moment, where you hold it. Echo boy, I didn't. But ya out pass over eternity, ni de kuna wo where he give me a yari and any muyu. Then you will be my one and never town. Why tell matter? Why you are away here on a one winner? I want to do it right. Why you are here? So I know, I'm aware where your bonnet be. But by the time anyone will take it as a privilege, will or no away. Mama Victorious. How you drink cafe? You drink your cafe episode. Eh? Oh, there why you winner. Osifo why you not work big or bewe down. Osifo mami ya mu bo ba e content no na. Wo be go. You dey say go no la me musician of ejiku ye gonna work ba bon steady na YouTube ya outside Facebook ya outside by. O ye ejiku in cash, physical cash ye bere. O de no garu gbiyan we this is a gbiyan. E de no garu gboga this is gbogede. E o Osifo wa mo ki amopo. Ugwezo ama wo ne ki actually. Wa mo ki awobo wa gba le pere mi ko ya kian bo e kenuje wa ko je doje mai content creating is money making we can make it. Nu ya se Nigeria na ne content creator ma me nu ya. Ma me nu ya o se ne me be na me we for so na ge we. They to we blow when we say Nigeria ni ugele mu di ase. You rebrand yourself, you work on yourself, you meet people that matters, or anyhow you manage yourself to find your way at the top. When you do want better social content, we go shake internet. You go to hear some say I stand with Osio Bafo. Some go say I stand against Osio Bafo. You don't see Lemon and Mary, where they do content for almost how many months. So then they can't even feed people where they are brought some, not be all. With their content. So I go say I stand with Nokma. The one say I stand against Nokma. Tomorrow they'll cross carpet like artists. They'll say that they this. Just because to get money. Amami no see buy for setting wo. Amami no setting wo. So by far want me $300 okay abi or $400 or $1,800 or even $700 or what mofo. Anyway yawe. Owa bonfo. E kaka ikano muhi na repere wiko. Only why a vie bate kafte pule or veowe. I don't really know. Oh, we too pele. My network this is. Why don't touch my page? What can I? Eh? Yeah, touch it. But when yeah, where matter. Et me ben ro wa don. Oni marie mi yawo. Ibi me be amami no pa yan wa re me so egba we 3 years le yen pa. Eh o, tu pele for me be. Oviemo gagbe ya we content. Amagin no je school. We maybe amagin no je school. Amagin which kind ye woman you be save me pay? Which kind woman you be? I say single mother so yeah man I say boy na. Eh? If you maybe amagin no university wo. Amagin no secondary school wo. Amagin no major wo. Amagin no mini hard work wo. Bane content. I get the money ya je school. Yeah, I'm work school. I mean I drop you school get me pay. I mean me be so school. They are quite a part of time as an animal for. When me be my boy. Double help me. I don't know why you are more going back and talk me no one. Remember, Mama, they look back. Baba no kwa. No mera odi gbagbe o. Ọ̀rẹ́ le ma ta ise ti pon me fo re dopa. Ipon ọmọ ni merere o. Oyi ko ni o ki won se ne. Merere ai. Tolo ma gbon yi me. Ọ̀rẹ́ le ma ta ise ti pon me fo re dopa. Ipon ọmọ ne ferere o. Maybe. You see this is Mabel, Malcolm Olu, but not count your children for your hand. You are really, should I say you dey fair as a mother? You be that kind of woman. Now you take day where you did. So woman will be say, you go get break up. You know go take her time, take comport herself, take work on herself. That kind of woman or that kind of woman will not stay without a care for 1 month. Now you take find yourself in this situation where you find yourself also. It can't happen to say you and Osifo can't jam. Osifo no fit stay without you no fit stay without a care. Two of you can't jam. Or you both go say best of the same feather flocks together. As you na jam, una can't be too much. It's a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. If they feel me so, now so you and Osifo take jam. Now make una separation, they give una two problems. So now make una separation, they give una internal hits. Mentally, una not stable again. Emotionally, you people beyond repair. Emotionally, you guys are beyond repair. Mabel and Lucio Bafo. My words are breaking. Then we make my failure. I will tell you. He didn't hear you. Damn it. In your boy on my page. I won't remember now. I go to water. I yari. Then we are here. Now see go on that place. You want call you. Gili waiter. So you break ya. Bon, ferry wo. This thing better not break. Okay, don't they okay now? And they not na Asaboro. You can't bear one here. With my organize with you forge like table. It good tomorrow. Then you go me babare. Get what I mean? Maybe, Larry. Now you cause these children for what they cause so. Odonoka or Okpafien. You know Zegbe. You not get patient. You work in your mammy kia mammy wemunya. No give Valeni aka we masrewa. Okpafien. One a me wo wafien where am temu. Where am temu or one mono no your domain temu. I been an ahano beno. Where temu uga muno mufo. Uga mumu for ya vifu where they work. You munya for I don't know when you're working Wi-Fi and why. That is where and how you land yourself into this trouble that you are today. What happen for your papa days happen? You don't break, you don't take your time, say, okay, I dislike women we not submitted themselves, say, ni bien say. I know they like them. For your life, you don't feel friend person, you not born for her. Okay, the deed has been done. My beautiful Munachi don't come, which is okay. The necessary thing you not do. Now they will not. Oh yeah, okay, fine. This man does still go. Now what you call on a problem? When I don't understand. You cannot follow up on a problem. Who understand? Osifo for a bad problem. May tell me because these two people are disturbing the internet. Like seriously, are you guys for it? I was even thinking a problem don't finish. Oh, I don't know say on a problem. It's just the start. So what is the essence of going your separate ways? If Osifo went his separate ways, he cannot control himself. You two pay for you. Which can one of them disturb people? Because of Osifo. Listen and listen well, maybe I'm telling you nothing but the truth. Listen for look my face. I know the look on a two face, on a two never bath. I don't know how they talk for English, as in you are no longer yourself anymore. Since Osifo left, you are no longer yourself. I will never see where you go carry children go school or your children go do as soon as do content reach make una video school or like for UK children they go school they go with uniform or whatever you go see even if they not go with uniform but at least there should be a trace of these children are going to school. Not only wear that one for go work 16 hours a week where they work and I will see that day wait for go chop. If you wear to school maybe I be graduating. Here graduate even here win a content in here school. A content creating at TV school, selfish, not selfish. Your children are content creating they read for school, ye both for that matter. Oh, Jao, what are you told me? Be me pay. Bangi kia, no why you take no one bemono, one where yafo. Bangi kia, you go to one, a walk one, and maybe we got living okay. If you wear Vanico Dukuni, where any amazon of Fimoto. IMS, ibi ebo IMS no fi moto IMS la IMS driver's license. IMS no drive, abi IMS 3 years. E me be wo lo we. Eni ki aju na o ko mo re gboto. They no see your back for pa na no win anya. But me work on yourself be say Osifo go dey ask himself say wetin carry and go ask. Maybe na Osifo and family come dey find out take beg you me man no vai go take come. Or me go dey marry for Nigeria for there. After all, who wa fe bomb so wa me in Nigeria. No reba because I wouldn't ye no. If I not learning na rule ni ye bola kai. No reba no ya be wo wa here. If when once no gba we ne giene. If your senior daughter or senior son is driving, they can take off the two where they down. E boy. E me very able we wika. Now they go to drop one and she and name for school. Ye as girl ye kin. Where they no see your by for say kia we wari agmodo. Why are we in Nigeria? You also doing this at the husband. Why are we in Nigeria? If you wear money, because area bugbe, you buy on a queer on a queer on a who's here, we buy money. The one can put adult for us for there. She said, Nigeria, and who's your baffle worrying AJ? If I need you know, why you go and sit with him? Okay, the girl they drive. Okay, maybe we motor that and I say that. Thank you for correcting me there. And you say your daughter the drive, Michelle the drive. It's okay. That is a good one. Imoti Jofia, Imoto Bome. Oh. Hello? How you tell? Ni why akba? Ona how you take Bemuna. How are you and boyfriend me? Are you okay? No, umade okay. You wait about. La, c'est bien. Maria Mowe. Which one be na her car or her mama car? Yeah. You don't understand? I mean, my father's car. Not reason for school that time. My father's car, Bito car. In mama on go be in mama on go be as a content creator, which she still be. Because she still the bring money call the house. That's go you get her own car to her name. Now use on me. Not be say she get driver's license, they use and drive her mama car. No. She don't get driver's license, they use and drive her mama car. It go be her own personal car to her name. Because she too, now still a breadwinner. She dey bring money come to her house. Now use on me. You understand, mama? Mabel, you can't go sit down with Osifo for them. We're going to say, okay, now that's how do not do. Now, as in Osifo's wish go come true. Because Osifo want to be the oga, like a normal, every normal man we don't work hard. He no work. He no work. Osifo no work. Osifo no pay tax for abroad one day. With or with a bere. He no pay. Oma ye bere asa, ma ye bere asa. He no pay tax. Yes, he no pay. She for not stand up for money, make go shoro. He no do. Asa, children not get voice to say they no fit go school. Now government go take control is a must. Not be must. So come UK, you know say not be must, not be all country. If you say no go, you know force now. You want go read for government. Not be self you want it for. Not be must, depending on the country. Not be must. Yeah, like this UK where everybody forget you know that. Or when you enjoy you. If you force on borrow if I want class, what's up? So not be by force. So I don't know about Austria. You don't ever see me bet children for school. You don't see them. Or you don't see picture where they take small, where they take go school, mama snap. All those memorable, whatever. You don't see them. Too pele. I mean, a moon up by me where we drive the way I drop every school. Now, yeah, a fool, a moon now, fool. Meanwhile, you, I mean, a school, I mean, a class, I mean, a school, I mean, no. Let me tell you. I don't really know. But me like Osifo is my major concern. If you be mad there abroad, I beg. If you want me woman, they respect you. No say some men go say, I need respect. You don't demand for respect. You earn it. The first thing, when they give man respect for abroad, you must they work. Even if you say you not call they give the woman, it's a more, it's a necessity, it's mandatory, it's compulsory. You must they come on for us, they walk, na respect, they walk. Na must. They walk. Go ask all those people all those condemned elements. Be say all those on the field babe squad. Go ask their life. Go see them now. Go just put your motor for reverse me, see their life as it be now. Two pele. Go look them. Go back to the blackboard. If so many of them can turn back the hands of time, they would have done that so long ago, but they couldn't. They don't fit one. Now only some way if you maneuver, do this one, do that one. That time abroad not be as it be so. People never tear like this. Yeah, we're born come up for that job. No be back there. No civilization. No nothing. Up by home, just one way, two pele. Now it be that time. Now those one feel suffer, colobi, some go open, something for house, so do this one. Most of them, the highest they could do now house they open. Now house. Now hotel business they run for many of them. So, but many of them with their hard their money with this with the addition of small black with the add on have black no more they funny. They go condemn you. Awa ke no vone ni na gbonsa meji ni two pele for them. Can say we more wonder. You dey feel me so? Now many come they spring up and all that say okay. So Go look so. Oh, what be the 4 flat there? If you have any so many, we might buy. I buy you know one. I went away. You will say 10,000 pounds, which is 20 million naira. I say. Now that kind of squad now Osifo do an like webo. One question to how you black girl from one black girls to another black girls. 1 million to 200 euro every week. Oh job. Hey, I agree no. It only just say I only say Nigeria now. On a the big Kajapa or red belly beer and Otoni Magi and Akpa or could only go and pay school. Meno may be or he may be a move want to see his school. He can't win. When I'm going one house, he can't win. He may gain it. Why pick, why west? I go one back at the matter. Why I calling to have always well. Always well, but it's just the truth, nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. Why matter? No, why papa wani mu wari and anyway, our Lord. But no, don't tell what I'm a fashion gas. I won't done. I give it home. I give it a oh. Wabure wado daji oh. We were a problem to the community. But if you know you are a man like Osifo, stop, pause at this very 2026 and walk towards your future. Osifo got away with it. You might not able walking here. You might not. If not, no Osifo ya sober. Which thing Osifo don't fit do? Osifo never break internet. Osifo never creates any tangible and reasonable content where go shake internet. I don't believe this Osifo enter Nigeria. Osifo ever receive $5,000 in all the pages where he gets. I don't believe. It's track ike do beso way. Ne me ben oro ne ya omi ekia arumwe orumu popo hudi. We mu din tan se e me be ya hin ori fi. We ekia arumwa ilala e me be ri fi we. Ne Osifo ya pase me be ma de gbe hin me be maru aworo o maru awe summer o maru awe winter o maru awe spring. E me be u eri dejo. Or in in fact, the yard of the press single mother, me bury here. But what am I, me kwe, or everywhere good, or my good me be, or my good, or my good do, no be who can say. No, when I go, I go. I know a banana, some of you been in, I miss you, now very bena, when so you is but a hundred really been Osifo, oh, you look. Because Osifo is that kind of a person, you view from afar. Uriake be my instinct to Uriake, oh, you look. Osifo is that person who take like a big man life, very freestyle life. But Omen Oyala, and he does not work towards it. Osifo is that kind of a man. Not a yeah, or liable. He sure get Osifo where really be having a direct connection with your auto. If not, why not? Osifo cross like Belibia. He will total a camp in maybe. Osifo matota. He will okay camp by like Germany, like France, like Irish. I mean Osifo nakba. Osifo can like 2 or 3 camps in like Ghana woke or 10 years. Thomas de Yoke is really want to settle down. Osifo can work like so Osifo work where they. You left because of those children for the betterment of those kids, right? When he go back setting your book bazar and the move. Osifo, where he like we must setting your book bazar and the move. When I go le had no good zebun we are lay. E carry soto. When I go no garden why? Give it back. Ima wana ya we me be me ko wana egbe. I va be passer me ben. No, quality €100. We are la Italy va to Germany to Austria. Una wa la mi fare. We Austria gbe. Uwe Austria e me be no gwen hune. E me be ne konden ayon ne gbe wono kwale kia no kan wari ekuwe blanketi muta son male ya. E me be makama we ya nwina. O manene be nwina Austria me be matamawe. Whatever. Igbinu wa efo. Wa ma mi. Esther me waton Esther. Esther is just a neutral body. No matter take her time to study when you get in Nigeria, so no go read me on your day. Esther, well, give me bear, Osifo, Gawari, you yet book it in your bandina when it can wake and win me a beast. E me be, Mabel Hama, I was a jamudian wow, I mean, wow, if an enemy being when I'm or my work. Honor you, one away the Kiakian. Orama game, ekwe gaji soro. Weno awuf we ije mi ofeta. Ugadun, we ga ikun wera we gbeman. Wa kun wera we de benwai. Uga kun we dia we ni small sati. Yaun. We na oga ministry okuzebudu. Ori wo you we gbe ne we mageti ni na ga me be ya we na to pele for you ri ano. Cause ori oni hiro. Owie aya tu eni mi no mo we me yanz we. Orioni maria gowe oriun he we ria me onye content because igo ga rebe ni ke YouTube ke ya me be pe dididi we na afi wi ere koko wa e bi opa eva e ya na iwa ki we daddy ku gbe we na iwa hwani e ga na o ya gbani se ka beta we we ge we ha ina emi be na 44 years ya bi palu oni no gwa bi no ma hin jara gwa bi ba won ewetan e me de te ba lo no ya push odo ya bi ewe o bi ewe na tu pele o ma woke o hona me bo bi me right e mo na kwene niwe o wa we marriage vitali nu we to taye we bona nu gwe me best ni ene be latin aga bi enu wan ete be latin o money hewe o me proof the best thing you could think of Nigeria me do hona no carry Nigeria o se Nigeria kin won ye mo we ba be rai na te boji eru ya ri Nigeria we na wo manari nya ton yo ire o ri nya na o la lo fi gun ne ni okpanu na we ari na we gwo wa no ya se Nigeria Osifo 2 years of living na abi a year plus Osifo we know you laughing umeya Osifo bebe udan me ere bube wara we asoba me be na ni e certificate nurse e pino bare nurse na gbon ya gwa lo na gbon ya le run e na so no ma yi pa ma de sisi we Nigeria am opportunity o we nurse yen we wepu e na so ne gwa gbeni ni ya oto no the capital letter everywhere always small letter oga say bo we nurse ni e me be go ye ka no ye kaka ika no yo Australia ne onari photo to kun ra to te luggage o iwa lovie wa yo to ne no Osifo owa e de no ma wa ne wa modu hun ehin wa ga gbore wu kia Osifo na we minister okuzebude enwita idorodo fo Osifo wa na mi o hia awe special gbale jacket o la moto ya we de no be silela butu ya we so wa ya we le ya we Osifo na mi wita ona ta mi gbe e yo no Osifo ya try no be a man ne wo leti ne Osifo na do we ma pe bi de me bo mo bi ya ye ma ni go no wa ni gba se wa no Osifo ni go ni ape bi go boy na o ma o government of gbin ya ha we no e ma we no Osifo we beni de ni ero a contract o wa ni because me be mo wa ni Osifo kiri e blage so we agwa le ke kwa ni we yi wo we okay love we yan we monyo wa no Osifo don e kene ni ye wo wa ni water bi light bi gas bi telephone bi does me be anything be at all. One Osifo don't ekeni ni eje bo wani. Keno why well Osifo na wa mi miaona. Osifo you hear me be wa gi made a mistake. Cause a major target of the one. Imama no koshe. Imama no koshe. Maybe I wa begris epure. Eyanti e Germany me de yan weti e Austria. O iwa gbepuro e bubu erere. Wono Osifo. Yaun. Wa ine anwe fi no na enwe kun enwe ayo kun e colorful no sleep no den of your lawyer kun enwe camera die. Yes. So you can see, we are love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. Maybe oh, we're not beautiful. We who's job we. I go down you love it. I not beautiful. We there Ariota. A love is not beautiful. No remedy. I'm again a passionate work. You're getting beautiful. I make it an agree. Or don't I above where son? So by for a while, you know, too pele. Maybe I work in Otalokia, Babolo, when I'm again every 3 months. Maybe my daddy waking on. Yare, and yammy bemana. Or me. You wanna, or me. I wear I'm skinny people, right? Yes, we understand. But okay, maybe on a skinny. I mean, palo be. You can't wire, pass me be. You go and me Ben ask somewhere. Ask somewhere there. No si fwa ya total webu. When in ore me baby. Un address o wani. Un total to be fete be we o ma total. O ga gwale kenu o Osifo we diji. Un zan we ji. Wa va gwale gbe mi. Osifo ga gwale ra no na lega ne no rule. Must the template of a woman be in your life. You get utara omo mebe omo Osifo. Ebi ati eye na go Osifo na we so wania. Iri o why mi pa no Osifo no internet ya agwo iwore. Why you ke gbeni? Cause mebe you we ni. Who you can? Or you we ni? O Mafeti total on his own. No rebranded, no work on himself. Like, okay, it is what it is. Let me face reality of life. Ne me be a code dog if you boy. Ne me be in your way or since you left, things have never remained the same. I'm a couple of good for 3-5 years, yes. But they will come back again. Yes, because you know what? They both have gone their separate way. As far as the man not remarried, the woman not remarried, they have eventually. They don't know what they take wrong themselves. This one don't know where for error. This one don't know where for error. It might be they have worked on that aspect. You get me so? So they decide to come back again better and stronger. Maybe me go guru yere na. Osifo no asai kanu no mune esta be adova esta no me queria va que da wa defie me we tare ne tin se so fani gori kuya wa wo mi o money wa to because any money te be daddy very lazy Sifo lazy gbe Osifo wa ba bege wa wo a lazy boy Osifo right from Kehide Swade Osifo wa lazy. Because Osifo we are not lazy. Where you wo time we want to stay together. What if we ever na ex because I black get down and me legeni. Abo me down. Baba where we are there? Or very we be 1 month. We like. We be 2 months. We like. We be 3 months. We like. Do we marry the lazy? Where fear we my lady now? Can I work? Where can I look for money? Maybe me go we come away no worry. No dey we monthly salary. Na enu je onu we e kunu ma fi kun yo abo. Ogbora mo panu mi ye ke wa la jan. 2 pele for you. 2 pele. Ele Mabel wo viona. Ele wo ma vio. Awe man so. Unu wa ni kon wa ya ga property en wa ne gbe o wa. Awo me. Mabel e passport o ga go pou. Me na motor go. Ou de ticket tout Osifo. Ejo Mabel ya agbo e fu wa Nigeria. Tota kiwe. Because enu yo bo sinu e mo ya won Osifo. Kuna we ki agi we na me nwan. Wa we ya mo we o. Be ya mo we ya VF bien because e lo we so to nani ya mai. Be ya mo we enu go through this pain alone and get healed. No heal. Then any Facebook it always dropping ama any aka me maka mi ode. So me stress. Me wa ye metal on. No be certificate we la dia. No we are do si fo kin akodo ni fin boy. Or no Osifo no ro. No he we gba ipere wi ko of your kiani. Ale don. No more ye wa gbon e. Na ge do we ne mi be. Do we ya yi gwe kon. Na ge do we va na ye ge no we va. Do we va hin de gbe kon back as man and wife. Asa do am. Ye nga gbon you collect. You collect. Bi be do am ni. Ne kia we wa jinya. Wa jinya. Eyo. Osifo ai war wele. Mama e TikTok, ami e Facebook. Mama e TikTok, ami e Facebook. O de no ma tota ori ego ogo Asaboro. Nuema. Ai ti o vera. Ko bo wa ti o go de. La o go ba le du o go de. Ori no fia la video la vaya a hacer. Mamá, ti o go de la. Ori kaka ikare, gbogbo ege apalo, ori oni to ta gegege. Onu ni ga je dojore, ke no o, ke no ma o ga tama o. O be do tell tama we. Like seriously? Are you kidding me? Are you okay? Mommy, are you okay? Are you okay? O be do tell tama o be no le gbe webu. O do tell tama we. Like seriously? Are you trying to tell me we am I mean no man me be oni man? Or am I meaning your pan on man be na be oni me be? For those years in to take me. Working the way mota. Wa marry a single father. Single father, there are different single father army. Mami ani ni wa level wo ni. Eni ai lowo. Egin atore ma we severio. They will never paint that woman good. It's always bad. Eri oluyan, eri ekweni agwan, eri okonu e boss. Yes, okonu e boss because we zuwa, we do zuwa. Wele nu gaya wo gbe like ya we ni. Uwina, wa le wina, wo be ten that wo kan mi o, wo eko wo hwaji. Okonu imi dam gogo wo wa. Okay, I get so why. It is natural. I be here gbejo. Okonu mi dam gogo wo wa. Ese ti re wo wa. O ti adarun so wo don no ri e wa se o bia no bia na nu demu. Ibi o ri ewe. Ama wo we are Osifo wa here from January to December waiting editing video. Ko editing video wa occupation re. Editor general. Then ugwa respect obey if you kan kekere okunu ti o wa. Any people say how vela den la we na. O wa kia metin. Me ti mi gbonate. O ma ibere ya. Iji. Ngeli kia metin. My people. Carry to any women, people see here. Then, who do wake by any go wagbon? Oh, be agbon. Or lazy for. Or one lazy for can I lazy so lazy say. You wouldn't blame anybody. Oh, be here. Una ne be here. You when you beg you te here. Oh, when is a when you bring we are here. Although ye mad day, you mad day at a benue. Government. I saw on my baby and when. Where can government you? Oh, when you are Wahala, well, don't go a coa. Oh, good, you can't jow, Mary. I couldn't be a good work. No more, I'm married with Italy. I was married with our women. Well, because of anyway, I have been on a bad one. I did to so what is the why make only know and make your dog bonny. The name you want to because I a beaver beer or a luby dog in a reduce or may be increase. Or increase. Ah, proud mom. You no gay. Happy New Year once again. I greet you, Mama. A more J. A wabo. Osifo wa rewe bo. Osifo ma we shoro. Osifo makin Morocco. O makin shishi. O makin mwe. O ma we no ma job. O ma pakbe o wiete. O wiete pio. Osifo ma we anything. O makin newspaper. E me be na wa mwe ya gweze. Gwan yu we plaquette. We do a complete we eri go de. Wa go na mi no yara. Osifo na le gwe we plaquette was very comfortable. Oy wa mwe kia wa mpapa pon me be oya ye wa won wonu he kan oga yana ka ma wa be are ori be na gbagan eri agan yi Esther wa dori if you were na all down because Esther ma Osifo anyway when Nigeria guests they no dey gree for anybody our agman Osifo best and Osifo we are a to we are penia we mana gwa next time we hose cause idoge you are a weakling wa gwa loko no wa mu agun emudian any little thing a woman must be beside him any little thing a must whatever you can never see Osifo without a woman now later when your power we mudia for 1 year no ya rebuild the gbe okay you wo then I so at the bomb boy na wo go ole posa senegi agi wa wanika edo wa ya oma wa mo ko nya wo so wa o agogu e go ma pasa ki ma be jan o he got am all the go akedo muruwe o sa ba akedo gbe oruwe o ke na do me on fi o boy you gwega won ba ni mo ba ni la dia ve television e ba ga mu la dia mu do la dia e gbo so ba na do me on fi o boy you gwega plus or minus e go na do re na iya enwe de ne nania we to pele we wala we can make content of man we eru we ni emulatian we this is what Eliab Osifo so your before has generated now you write them now you can't use them now you can't guys you can't carry people along like this Lemon and Mary matter and anyway have a biori kupeto akoya we so one ya we you know day na me baby your content you know day and the woman gbe me be Esther igbe and then sama gbe we igbe when you refuse to move forward why go bari wa total ye wa nu abere Osifo ke wa total ogwala goku Osifo know this and no peace your destiny is not tied to a woman's own stand up and walk as a man be a man be a man for once we care a boss as our mulele yakaka go and stand and be a man. You know where you have missed it. Go and make it up. Go and go and rectify your error. Go and rectify it. Go and rectify it. Esther should be a plus. Go and rectify it. Then Esther no. Told me no mubonje wo we de no we talo. To find you we come Esther never mala mi wo ma see she can do better than me be. Marema. E mama Jelesta ile kipejo gele ye gbuwe. Where we bo wana gwa ka we be o metu eveze ogogo me wate. We ki se Nigeria na the place of content creating. We might setting you mastermind the content. We might setting you create content. Now mufwane na lo Osifo. I'm a boy. Me ben oro. Oginyi wo manori ifwa. Wo mano kiza. Okbia wa pa edagbon ni edagbon we never remain the same. Oga wa gwa replacement ilele yakin. Eri oka. Eri total no we regbe okay. We na back okay. It's all right. Okay. Go me work on myself. I mean 1 year. Maybe can't just stay 1 year no knocking. You know if stay they do you. They do you. Ubi abi owo ni agbomo yo my dear. Na mi wo si fo e ko do te wa yin o esu no o me no mu yan adi o wa o. O. Na wa de wa na mi no si fo gele o wewe. Na mo dagbo ya na mo fi si fo bo. Na dun e ya gwe na yo to lele. Marie ko mare de no ya amu e ne wa so wa fun. Mare no ya preach go ma gbe love is a beautiful thing. Si fo marie ke. Ayo, atasa. Imagine wa amuyo wa le ki o masibo. Imagine wa be amon keki de gbe na. Egbo si oba fo be gbe mi pe na. Bo ma na lo enwe, wa na wo age gbo kitan. Wa mi wa kwa lo. Osifo, go and work on yourself and be a man. Be a man. And when Esther, not be everything we Osifo tell you now be true to. Reduce the value because maybe do not be passing oh. Binise na popo na agbiya lo to te be dare na agbiya bo. Maybe when you do you dey feel like on the gbeso. He do wetin pass you in the era of maybe. Oya ami color lo sleeve no ga ajo we tralawe. Keke wi ba te kwase. No ya so bu we ni ke na ja yeje so yo fioro ye lo o ye nwa o e clean we o mo o ri ya o e ni fe agbo agere. Senator we me egbe na me we me bo e na mi ati e we rest we so na ne e o inode. Me be do wetin pass you on. Tori ga mi o ka kekan. So we lo enwa ni a na ti 3 years na do me wa ibe gbere na gba we. We me be ati tini no me be aboyi ne wa. We lo enwa o. Osifo o we abi o we o. Won be le ya kin father of all nation. E mo nu koko nu biele. Wa o we bi o we o. Won we can really lie ya fe and a drop. E can really lie ya fe and a drop. E pa ke kia ni se gbe bossa se fa agba nu gbe bossa se fa ke gbe ni ka ke di Tanzania. Nu ka nu awu. Ya so wa o maye blue. E to hin gba 2 years na. O maye blue. Rewe bu under the canopy of me pe ogaje. We so when we mo canopy we gbo na tu pele. E na gba re ria yi. Ayi pe ani ni ya o beri wowo. Ayi pe ani fi wowo mo so mo dagun wa mo janu wa. E dagun wa ni wa mi tu pele no. Tu pele. Ya no si fo we no je bo wa ni. Ah ta lo internet ya ka. Ara de fun yo ni message o se we say no. Always say no, we say done. Aga the internet na many me na me I telephone e ban de phone jo. Me ari la sin ya boy ya kan lai. Oh, ya to e o ti ra me. Eyan ko me mana. Ya mo ye yan gbon. Osifo ado yo working ahe. Osifo no pay 2 years you to be 1 year you to. Once a year ya si go wa in Nigeria. Or you did a mark I pay $300 or we are recharge upagere ya ready for the 70 village. You go school, I did by her city school. Any a mewe bonnet monarchs in Nigeria. Where ti wa ye €400 I wish your people. Umana never near okay at this supermarket. Una ye hope where the living or you are just on your own. What did like mama will know this I need pizza when we mad pizza. Who the baby take more at the pizza again? Emewebo ori rase me Nigeria. Emewebo yan ari la gbe me ohe yan le kere yan le. Kere yan le gbe la ni wa yo yan we content wa. Me Nigeria. Go on for me. My phone I love it. Where ti wa live na le webu. Akwe are weri oni. I weri oni. There's nothing you can do about it. We are do forcing you. Or forcing you as a tamitisha. You work at your body. Osifo another atale tala to di ko gwale biobe. Wa biobe ire won. Ali no sestika boy. We to ta ikopo mo be desu he ne be na ni. Ni bi ale ole. Dice que no ya le a ver, mano. What's that? Okay, then I'm coming to get you a cup of tea. Half a cup. Take a seat for me, please. Okay, then I'll be right there. My people. Igemu me. I no go shame for my work. You say Mabel Osifo I gbe cup of tea no tira and nothing. No tira no. That's when I see me ra no bira me ra no kwa. I gbe cup of tea ne. No me Osifo we ha me no go no bo. O bo ma queen na re mo de. Already the easiest place to get wet na ya fenia. Orewa, ma we no ori asin ho. We no we content in all you gear everlasting content.